Okay, guys, it looks like it's morning. We better get up. I'll get the breakfast. Breakfast outside. Come on. I don't care if you didn't get your 8 hours of sleep yet. Come on, let's go. Morning, Boulder. Good morning. Morning, Boulder. Good morning. Morning, Boulder. Morning. Let's eat. Okay, we're ready to eat. After eating. Okay, we're all full and ready for the day. Yep. Hey, that's my line. It's my line. My line, my line. Hey, enough! Don't fight about this. Some weird thing. What the? Is that Eve talking to her nanny panny? To this nanny panny pack? That is the weirdest thing I've seen. Guys, it's today we're gonna kill Eve. Okay. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and over to back where we were and see where Flame is. Cool, that sounds awesome. Best idea. Okay. So let's go start our adventure. Come on. Whee! Woohoo, yeah! After millions of days of traveling. We've been traveling for so long. I didn't know our pack was this far away. Come on. Aha, here we are. We're here. Let's go. There's food all over the place. Can't really see. Okay. Let's get them over here, and yeah. Let's go. Hey, you're close to dead. Let's wait out here and make a surprise saying for Flame. I'll be in front. So, this is gonna be the best surprise in the world. That's right, Wolfsbane. Okay, we're all ready. Oh, I can sense him coming out. What? Who are these wolves? What wolves? What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about? You! Who are these wolves? What are you talking about? It's my pack. Scooch over, people. Wait, I have to say hello to my pack. Huh? Hey, Eve! I knew you'd be a good leader. What? I said I knew you'd be a good leader. Told you to lead. No, you didn't. Wait a sec, that's in my dream. So sorry, Eve, but you did a good job. I can tell you led. Wolfsbane, you did all right. Joe, you did all right. Steel, Coda, you guys all did all right. I missed you so much. I want to stay away from Boulder. I don't want us to get hurt. Well, we gotta head back to our pack, our usual field, because we really have to keep an eye out for Boulder.